In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the stochastic oscillator on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're just getting started with trading or looking to enhance your technical analysis skills, understanding how to utilize the stochastic oscillator can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and walk you through this process step by step. Begin by opening your MetaTrader 5 platform. This is likely the first step you take before diving into any analysis or trades. Once you've got MetaTrader 5 up and running, navigate to the chart you want to analyze. Selecting the right chart is crucial as it provides the foundation upon which all your analyses will be built. You might already have a preferred chart you work with, so go ahead and bring that up on your screen. Next, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. You'll want to click on Insert. This menu is your gateway to a variety of tools and indicators, making it a central hub for customizing your analysis. After you've clicked Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. Hover over or select Indicators. As you hover over, you'll notice that the menu further expands, offering various options of indicators categorized by their types. Now, you should see another subset of categories, and you'll want to navigate to Oscillators. Oscillators are incredibly useful in trading as they help in identifying momentum and potential reversal points in the market. Within the Oscillators category, you'll find the Stochastic Oscillator. Go ahead and select it. Once selected, a new window will pop up. This is where you can adjust the settings to suit your analysis preferences. Typically, you might stick to the default parameters if you're just starting out, but feel free to tweak these settings according to your trading strategy or market conditions. However, for the sake of this instructional video, we'll keep the default settings. After you're satisfied with the settings or the default setup, simply click on OK. The stochastic oscillator should now appear at the bottom of your chosen chart. You can easily spot it as it's represented by two lines oscillating between the 0 and 100 levels. This is your cue to start analyzing the data it presents. It's all about reading the overbought and oversold conditions, which can signify potential entry and exit points for your trades. So, there you have it. A straightforward way to add the stochastic oscillator to your charts in MetaTrader 5. By using this tool, you can gain deeper insights into market trends and improve your trading decisions. As always, practice makes perfect, so spend some time experimenting with the settings and familiarize yourself with different market scenarios. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful trading tips.